Hi everyone! Today we're drawing Red from Descendants 4. Let's get started. In Descendants 4, the story takes an exciting twist with the introduction of a mysterious new character who holds the key to untold secrets of Auradon. This edition promises to shake up the dynamics and bring fresh intrigue to the beloved series. Descendants 4 introduces Red, daughter of the evil queen, exploring her journey towards self-discovery. Red's story intertwines with the established world of Auradon, where she confronts her legacy's expectations. As Red and her friends tackle societal divisions, they discover deeper layers of loyalty and friendship. For this drawing of Red, I've used Ohuhu and Copic markers and Canson mixed media paper. You can find all the materials listed in the description box below. Check it out for more details. As we dive into Descendants 4, let's not forget the original crew that stole our hearts. Mal, Evie, Jay, and Carlos. Their stories laid the foundation for this new chapter. And as we remember Cameron Boyce, who wonderfully brought Carlos to life, we continue to honor his memory with every new adventure. New magical elements and intriguing spells play a crucial role in the challenges the characters face. The film's soundtrack, infused with contemporary beats, reflects the emotional arcs and vibrant energy of the storyline. Enjoyed this drawing of Red from Descendants 4? Don't miss the movie on July 12th, only on Disney+. Watch, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy the film.